How to share any post on Quora to Instagram directly, easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share any post on Quora app to Instagram. So first thing, choose the post that you want to share. For example, I'm gonna share this one right here. Now all what you have to do is click on this little icon right here and go down until you find Instagram here. Click on Instagram and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.